Hey guys, this is Fundom on Manchopagama. Tonight on Uzalo, Vega reached his breaking point after Njenje decide to cut off Nomaswazi on the business. But it seems like Nomaswazi is got disappointed, and Njenje tell Nomaswazi that he make a big mistake to betray them again, while Vega seems too happy that Nomaswazi is cut off on the business. Hleziphi goes to the police station to reveal that Kwanda is a drug dealer and he used product to sell it. And it seems like Hleziphi is scared for Kwanda. He tells the police that they must don't tell Lily because Lily will tell Nonka and Nonka tell Kwanda and Kwanda kill her little brother. And Mondli promised that he will not tell Lily. And they want to search Gwanda products that they have the drugs. Mbata counseling the couple that are broke and the lady does not finish the matric and the man does not work. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.